What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. This one is my first ever Supreme purchase. Never in my never gonna say never. I probably just don't remember, but I'm sure back in the day I probably bought something from Supreme and just don't remember, like back in like the '90s or something. Because they've been around since like '94, so they've been around a minute. Um, so I might have bought something at one point or another, and just before they were super hyped. But this is technically my first ever Supreme purchase, and I just got it in the mail. It's really weird how they do things though. Like I ordered this on the week 18 drop, so last week's or week before last, whenever this airs, and as far as I know, they never shipped it. But it just showed up on my doorstep today. So, but let's get into it. I'm going to use my T-Mobile SIM card thing to open it. I wonder how, like, I've seen videos where they, open Supreme and they, get it in bags, but I wonder how, because this is a sneaker channel, so I wonder how they ship these. I wonder if I get a box logo with it too. That'd be cool. Sweet. Oh, they do have it in the bag. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning here, so. Alright, so they ship it in the Supreme bag, as you can see. Wow. Oh, they do send a sticker with it. Sweet. Supreme box logo sticker. And bam, there we go. This is the Supreme Vans collab Corduroy Lampin. I would have got the skate mid that they released, but I thought this would look a little bit better. Summertime, beachy. I like low pro shoes, like low top. So I went ahead and went with this. Now, the box is actually pretty cool. It's got, Supreme Vans off the wall. Not sure what that says, but it's pretty cool, Wow, that is a little different than I expected, but still looks really cool, actually. Damn. Stuck on it. Now, get rid of that. These, so, more than likely I haven't dropped. Oh no, I did. I did drop one Vans video. I got another one coming. I'm just now starting to get into Vans, and I really do love Vans just because when you get the collab, they're all made with like really, really good quality materials, and the prices are not bad at all. Supreme usually hikes up the price a little bit. Like this straight from Vans would have probably only been $75, $70, but being Supreme, it was like 100 or 110 or something like that. So they got to get there a little bit, but I don't mind. The materials are still really good on this. Like I said, it's a mixture of corduroy and crocodile skin right here. Look at that. That looks awesome. Now, if you look at pictures of this, this color should be mustard yellow. This is kind of like a green color. I don't know if you can see it that well, but in person, it's kind of like a baby poop green. And I just had a baby, so you should take my word for it. But yeah, it's like a baby poop green and black. These were released as part of the week 18 drop list alongside the skate mid crocodile corduroy as well. Still had basically the same design, except the mid had like the toe box of corduroy, and then it had the backside was a leather bit, or the crocodile skin. This is the fourth sneaker release as part of this season. You had the Nike Air Force One High kind of blend deal that they had. You had the Nike that just dropped. You had the Vans Alien Skullhead or something like that, the green one. You had that one, and then you had this one. And I'm really, really glad that they chose to do premium materials on this one instead of just canvas like they did on the last one. Because, I didn't pick that one up just because of the fact that it was not the best material in the world. It's canvas. I'm not a big fan of canvas. I have one pair of Vans canvas shoes, and the only reason why I did it was because it was a RIP kind of dedication piece. Now, the skate mid and the Lampin models are not the most popular Vans models that have came out, but these were kind of done in a retro-inspired premium crocodile skin and a 12 whale corduroy. And those alone just show you, the quality of this type of shoe. And it comes with an extra pair of laces. Black laces, then you got the thick white laces that are on it. Both of them are going to look really good. Then you got the Vans Off the Wall Supreme bit right there. And on the tongue, you have Supreme embroidered and then Vans embroidered right there. Supreme and Vans. So, I hope, how many of y'all picked up this shoe? Because, honestly, this shoe is great. I wasn't expecting it to be, this type of quality, but from what I understand, Supreme is actually pretty good quality. So, granted, the price is a little high on some things, but otherwise, it's pretty good quality, and I'm definitely going to sport these. These look like Skater, California, kind of, midsummer look. They released, in both those models, and 3 colorways of each. So I kind of got another pair that matched in the mid, but I decided against it. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of mids or highs. So even though I've got tons of them, as you see. But the colorways that released were the, mustard yellow and black. They had a fuchsia and orange, and they had a light brown and aqua blue. And feeling around on this, the inside is like a cotton material. Usually they put leather on the inside of their shoes, but I'm glad that this one's cotton and make it a little bit more comfortable, a little less stiff. And besides the, high quality materials, like I said, it's embroidered on the tongue. And if you get something this high quality from Nike or something else, you're going to be looking at a few $100, probably $250, $300. From Vans, they always like giving you the highest quality for the lowest price. And you got to respect that. Because, you just don't see this, take a look at the first, the Air Force One. People were complaining about that because of how stiff it was. The material just wasn't that good. Even the Nike jerseys that came to match those shoes weren't that good. It was like screen printed on, like thin material, and it was like really high priced. Like a lot of people regretted making those purchases. And that's nothing towards Nike or Supreme or anything like that. Sometimes when you're making a lot of a product and, you to keep from charging outrageous prices, because, marketing departments and stuff like that, you're going to have to match what normally, what the price normally is and like what it should go for and stuff like that. So it's not their fault, whatever, but the quality just wasn't there. But I'm glad that to finish off the season, they released this beauty because the quality on this is just amazing. So let's check it out on foot real quick, and we'll talk more about it in a second. Yeah, I was right. The interior of this one, the cotton makes for a lot better, a lot more comfortable feel than leather does. Leather kind of makes your ankles sweat. This is good. I like this. Shouts out to you, Supreme, for my first purchase. This ain't bad. Now, Supreme, like I said, it was established in New York City back in 1994. It was a skateboard shop, still is, but technically it's seen as like streetwear now. Even though they do release decks and everything else, but yeah, it's technically streetwear. So it was it was created by a guy named James Jebbia, I believe is how you Jebbia, Jebbia. And they got stores now that are London, China, L.A., New York. Like, they're spreading out everywhere. And whenever they do a drop, like, you've seen the pictures, they've got lines wrapped down the block, because the resale on this stuff is like anywhere between 2 to 20%, depending on what it is. There's jackets you could buy for $200 that are selling for like 10 grand, and depending on the collaboration, it's just going to keep climbing. So, and Supreme has actually done collabs with the likes of you got Vans, you got Hanes, you got North Face, you got Timberland, Playboy, the Nike and Jordan brand, and the world famous collab that everybody went crazy for, the Louis Vuitton. And that's the one that's got the crazy markup. You got box logo Louis Vuittons going for like, what, $8 grand or something. These people, like, that's what you got to respect about Supreme. Like, they collab with everybody. Like, they get everybody in the mix. Whenever they do their drops, which are every Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern time, they have, shirts from different brands like LaCroix, stuff like that, Nike, random people like that. They got designs, all, different designs. Besides the box logos and stuff, they've got little cactus as like, little accessories. They've got an axe. They've got a shovel. They come out with a lot of stuff like cooking pans, utensils, knives. Like, they market everything. They even went as far as to market a brick with Supreme printed on it. And honestly, I gotta say that story, like, when I first heard that, I was like, you know what? This is exactly how that went down. Their marketing department was like, come on, bro. We could sell literally anything. I can put Supreme on dirt and it'll sell. And they're like, yeah, but you can't put Supreme on dirt. Like, the sticker won't stick to it. You can't screen print it. And the guy was like, yeah, let's press dirt. Let's make a brick. I guarantee you, I'll bet money that I can print a brick with Supreme on it and it will sell out. And they were like, nah, nah, it won't. People, people got morals and stuff. They won't buy a brick. Yup, sold out and had a resale value. So they can literally sell anything if they put Supreme on it. So that's pretty cool. But they've also collabed. I mean, they collab with everybody, not only brands. They've collabed with artists, photographers, designers, and they do skateboard decks. They still do. That's their mainstay. That's what they started with. So they've had artists from the likes of like Jeff Koons, John Baldessi, Cause, just to name a few, like some pretty big name people. Like when Supreme comes knocking, you answer that door. So tons of people want to jump on that bandwagon. I mean, North Face did a jacket that was like worth 10 grand, and tons of people had that jacket. Like the only downside is because it's such a high resell on a lot of things, people are using bots. They always have for everything, but the one site that definitely use bots is Supreme. Like people tear that up, and they've got bots specifically for Supreme, designed only for use on the Supreme website. So that's kind of crazy. But then again, I mean, if you want to line up, if you don't have a bot, if you're near a Supreme store and you got to line up, you're gonna be waiting for 3-4 days in line just to be able to go in and hopefully get something. So that's crazy. But I hope you enjoyed the video. For my first Supreme purchase, I like it. The quality is really good. I'm really happy that I got it, and I cannot wait to wear these out. Did y'all pick up this? Which one did y'all get? The Lampin, the Skate Mid? What do y'all think about the quality? Am I right? Because yeah, I mean, you can't question it. Like Vans always comes with at least one model in each collab that they do that's just made with like super premium material. The Marvel one that just came out was the Deadpool. That was all leather, like through and through. The Tribe Called Quest was the Skate High, the yellow suede. That was like the thickest cut suede, and it was only like an $80 shoe. Leather guts, super thick suede. It was, embroidered everything. Like they don't just print, they embroider. So, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. I got a lot more bangers on the way. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Make sure to follow me on social media, because I am going to post something for a giveaway, because we did reach 500. And I got a bigger giveaway coming at 1,000. So make sure to follow me on social media. Links are down here. Check out this video for, the 1,000 giveaway. And, I'll post a video, when I've decided like what we're going to do and everything else. Since I just got home with the baby, it's going to take me a minute to be able to do that, but we got it worked out. Somebody's going to win something. We'll figure it out. So make sure to jump on that. Click that little bell if you want to be told when I drop a video. And yeah, I hope y'all have a good one. Stay safe. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.